stay on 11th Avenue.
Uh-oh, I missed the damn road. Alright, let's reroute. Missed road.
In 800 feet,
Okay.
turn left onto 10th Avenue. At the light, turn left onto 10th Avenue, then turn left onto West 25th Street.
It's so quiet here today. Is it because it's New Year's Eve?
At the light, turn left onto West 25th Street. Head northeast on 10th Avenue toward West 25th Street, then turn left onto West 25th Street. At the light, turn left onto West 25th Street. In 800 feet, turn left onto 11th Avenue. At the light, turn left onto 11th Avenue.
Push. That looks like a post office. A big post office. Okay, this is why I missed the road the first time.
In 800 feet, use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly left to stay on 11th Avenue.
The right 2 lanes, which will be like here.